to accomplish great things, and you're going to be part of them. And you're going to keep your mouth shut about it, Morty. Park it right here, Morty, right here on this side.
Hey, Dad, where's Morty?
He's busy.
Your father is a horrible influence on our son.
Boom! Told you! In your face! He is ruining our child!
Wait, what am I celebrating?
Quick, Portal, hurry! I know that new situations can be intimidating. You're looking around and it's all scary and different, but, you know, meeting them head on, charging right into them like a bull, that's how we grow as people. Now, if you just stick with me, Morty, we're gonna be, holy crap, Morty, run!
Adult Swim presents a new comedy from Dan Harmon and Justin Roiland.
Well, I can see you're busy.
Rick and Morty.